Hi there. Hope everyone's having a good day today. Just here with a short and simple enough video for you in regards to how to properly lift a vehicle, any vehicle. Uh, Reason I'm making this simple enough video is because um, just because of these accidents you hear every now and then, where something happened, someone got hurt, or whatever else in regards to how to in regards to the vehicle not being secured after it was lifted up. And I do know that these cars nowadays are very difficult to lift up. In the olden days, for example, you could just stick the jack underneath. I mean, it was extremely simple. However, now not so much. On some cars like this S class, it's right here, by the way. You see this box right here? That's you have to pull that piece out. The jack that comes with the car sticks in there, and then you can lift it up. However, when you are lifting it up with a kind of a floor jack, you're still supposed to use. You can use this place right here. Now this is simple enough, but the thing is, once you've got the car up, how do you keep it up? Shouldn't leave it on the jack. You should put it on a stand so that it's secure and you can be sure that nothing will happen. So that's why I'm making this video today. It's not as simple as it may seem. The underneath of this car, for example, the underside, most of it is covered with panels, plastic black panels. That's done. It doesn't matter what that's done, but yeah. So with this car, the jacking point is in the center. The front jacking point is right in the center, right around here. So you follow this line right here, all the way through there, and it's going to be over there. Well, actually, I think it'd be more accurate to say it's closer to the wheel, the front wheel right here. So you jack the car up using that jacking point right there, and then you stick a jack under this point right here. When you do get down and take a look, I mean, it'll be, you can, when you do see this, obviously you know what it's for. How to lift the rear is you jack the car up on the differential itself. So you put the jack underneath the differential, you lift the car up. Once it's up, you can put the jack stands on either side of the car, and that will secure the car. One thing that's crucial to a safe procedure is that you use wheel chocks. So definitely choke the wheels on, if you're lifting the back, obviously the front. And how you do it is you put a chalk on the front, a choke on the front, and one on the back, so that, and you only have to do this to one tire. You don't have to do it to both. Obviously, safety is important, so do with it what you will. But in theory, that's how it's done, and simple enough, obviously. If you enjoyed what you saw, do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.